Hi guys, today I will be unboxing this Meguiar's smooth surface clay kit. So I'll just show you here. So what is inside the box? So the Meguiar's quick detailer. So this is like a lubricant for the clay. Then the microfiber cloth. Then these two pieces of the premium clay bars. These are used before doing car polishing. So to remove the contaminants on the car. So some information, direction how to use it, but you can also check on their website. Okay, so I open this now, so you can see the real content inside. So they're still sealed. This one still, yep. So there's the two clay bars. There's two soft, and here's the quick detailer. So mist and wipe. So it's used to give lubrication before you use the clay. Then also comes with the microfiber cloth. Let's take this out from here. Okay, so a decent size. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching this unboxing video, and I will try this one later on in my car. So that's it. Thank you for watching again.